Hello friends, today we are going to read a new story. The story is The Tiger and the Mosquito. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." The tiger was angry. He hit out with his paw. The mosquito flew off. The paw struck his own cheek. The blow scraped his cheek. It began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. The tiger struck with his other paw. The mosquito flew off. This time, too, he hit himself. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." Thank you.